Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll guide you through how to send XRP from Crypto.com to Coinbase in 2025, a quick and efficient way to transfer your funds securely. Step 1. Get your XRP wallet address from Coinbase. 1. Open Coinbase and go to Assets. 2. Select XRP and tap Receive. 3. Copy both your XRP wallet address and destination tag, important for XRP transactions. Step 2. Withdraw XRP from Crypto.com. 1. Open Crypto.com and navigate to Wallets. 2. Select XRP, then tap Withdraw External Wallet. 3. Add a new withdrawal address, paste the Coinbase XRP address, and enter the destination tag. 4. Input the amount, review the transaction details, and confirm. 5. Complete 2FA verification and submit the transfer. Step 3. Wait for transaction confirmation. XRP transactions are usually fast, taking only a few minutes. Check your Coinbase balance to verify the deposit. That's it. You've successfully transferred XRP from Crypto.com to Coinbase. If this was helpful, like and subscribe for more crypto guides.